What's up, guys? This is Will of Will's Gadgets and More, back with another video, taking a look at a Weeylite kit that was sent out to me by a company called Weeylite. So a big shout out to them for sending this over for a review. This is the Weeylite RB9 RGB light kit. Very versatile little light. We're going to get into this box and check it out, so let's go. Alright guys, so we're back in. Before we get into the box, let's look at a few of the specs on this. So this is the new Weeylite RB9 RGBW Portable and Functional Full Color LED Light, Chargeable and Dimmable. You can get it for $99 at weeylitestore.com. I'll drop the link in the description. I'll also drop another link as well. Let's look at a few of the features and details. So full color RGB light. This has HSI colorful mode. You can control this with your mobile app on your phone. This has 29 kinds of scene modes, so you get stuff like flash, fireworks, burst, blink, flame, filming, TV, just a whole host of scenes that you can get. And then you do get your different colors. You get red, orange, yellow, green, cyan, blue, and purple. So quite a few colors there. You can use this for live broadcasting, creative portraits, e-commerce products, and you can simulate a background lighting as well if you like to have that nice light in the background to change up give a little added flair to your scene in the back of your videos, then you can do that. 12 watt high power, small body, big power. And there it is. You also get cool and warm bi-colors. So this goes from 2500 kelvins to 8500 kelvins. This is adjustable. So you get that. You get a nice OLED screen on the back of it. This display your brightness, color temperature, HSI value, accurate battery power. So you get a 3000 milliamp battery, 2-hour-long battery life, and you can also use this as a power bank to charge up your phones and things of nature like that. This comes equipped with a desktop stand for live broadcasting, selfies, and video. You can also use this with your phone. It also comes with a silicone flash diffuser, so this will soften the light. So this is some of the specs on it. It has a metal body as well. I'll drop this link in the description, guys, so you can go over and check out all the specs on it yourself. But for now, let's get into this box. All right, guys, so the specs are out of the way. Here's the packaging that it comes in. Weeylite RB9 RGB light, and that is it. So pretty nice presentation right there. Let's get this open. So this is going to be a very versatile little light for Will's Gadget and More over here. Just so much you can do with this light. And let's get this open and see what's all included. All right, so the first thing you get here is some paperwork, and then you get your little instructions manual here. So you get that. Of course, we always get paperwork. Here's the light. Now it does have a little heft to it, so let's get this open, take a look at it. Said this is a metal body on here as well, so yeah, this feels pretty nice, man. So here's the back of it. You get your little information panel there. Get some of the specs on the back of it here. You get your mode button, your set button, your increase, your decrease. At the top you got your on and off button there. You get your quarter screw here, Type-C charging port right here, and then here's the front of it right here. So has a little heft to it. Let's see what else is in the box here. All right, so we get a nice carrying case right here. So it's divided up into two sides. You got one side for the light and another side for accessories. So we'll put that, and it has drawstrings. And then let's see what else we got here. All right, got a lot of stuff here. So you have, first off, you have your tripod. I think this is the tripod. This may be for the phone. Yeah, this is to hold your phone here. You get your tripod. So here's your tripod, a little tiny tripod. Set it on the table. As you can see, it has some branding there. You get your charging cable, type A to type C, and then you get your adapter here. Get your adapter for your cold shoe. So you can screw this in, attach the light to your camera, phone, or whatever you want to. And then you get your diffuser here. All right, so let's get this thing set up and check it out. All right, guys, so we're back in. Let's take a closer look at the device here. So you got a quarter thread here, and you got one there. So you can take your tripod, screw it in like this, and you can use the device set up like this if you want, just like that. You can also, this is not only for cell phones, you can also hook this up to your device here, just like so. And you can use this light in a couple of different positions here. As you see, this thing flexes. So if you need to have the light up this way, any angle, there's various angles that you can turn it. So you can also use it on the light. It's not necessarily just for the for your cell phone as well. And then you have your little adapter here in case you need this to use this on on your camera or something like that. So those are a few of the accessories. And then you have your diffuser here, and it simply goes on like this. And as you see, you have all access to all ports here and buttons. No issue there. Everything should be great. No issues hooking up your tripod or anything like that. So the diffuser, I'm going to show some examples with the diffuser and without. So that's pretty much all on the outside of it. Like I said, this is a nice metal feel. I do like that they highlighted the power button and the select button here. So this has 4 different modes that you can go in. The CCT mode, which is a bi-color temperature mode, where you can go and the color Kelvin on that is 2500 to 8500. You got the HSI mode, which you can go your whole complete 360 degrees on your colors. So you can circle around the whole thing to different colors. You got your RGBW mode, which is a custom color mode where you can set custom, you can customize your colors. And then you also have scene mode. So you can set all of that through this device. So right here, we're in scene mode, and we're in that scene there. I'm going to show you more on the app, but I can go through and I can set the percentage up and down, as you guys see. I can select and I can go to the next, the speed, and I can slow it up. Speed it up, slow it down, whatever I want to do. And then I can select again and go to another scene. So this is another scene. And I can click through all 29 scenes here. So I go into the mode again. So this is the CCT, and I can control the percentage and the Kelvin there. This is the HSL. As you guys see, I can control certain things on that. And here's your custom mode right here. So those are the scenes, the modes. And let me show you guys the app. So the app is available on Android and Apple. And the name of it is Weeylite. There's no pairing needed. As soon as you click into the app, then you're going to be able to control your light. So you got your power on and off. You got channels here. This is channel 1, Japanese, English. I can turn the light on and off of there. You got CCT. So this is where I can control the power and the Kelvin right here. If I wanted warmer or cooler, And then I got presets down here, 3000 Kelvin, 4000, and you can customize it right here as well. Then your next mode over, this is your HSI, where you can control your power as well. Then you can control your saturation, and you got your 360 degree here on the color. So as I drag around, the colors will change. I can go to yellow. Wherever I want to go, and I control the saturation. And then the last one here is scene. So I can go to flash. So that's normal. If I wanted to go fast, I can go fast. I can go slow. This is the fireworks. I'm gonna put it on normal. This is burst, blink, flame, filming, TV. So you got a wide variety of different scenes here. And then you also have your colors. So with the colors, I can lighten this up or lower it. And there's the orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. So you can cycle through everything with your phone here, which is nice. So let me set this up on my phone, and then I'll show you a scenario using it with the phone. Alright guys, to set it up with your phone, you simply just open that up, slide your phone in. It depends on if you want to use the back camera, the rear camera, and simple as that. Now if I want to attach the light to it and use it as a vlogging rig with some extra light, take this little adapter and I'm just simply going to screw it into the light like so far, and then I'm going to take one of the little nuts here, tighten it down, and then take the other side, slide it into this slot here, this shoe right here, just like that. Then I'm going to tighten down the other nut. Now that way it's secure in place, and I can use this as a vlogging rig just like this, or if I wanted to film myself just like this from a desk point. So now I can have the light facing towards me, just like that, and there it is. So record using the iPhone and let you guys see how that look. Okay guys, so here it is at 10%, 4000 Kelvins, and you guys can see how this look holding it in your hand as a vlogging rig. So you get some pretty good color here, pretty good light. I do have another light on over there, but this is adding to it. So let's try it with the diffuser on there as well. Okay guys, so this is with the diffuser on there. Got my arm stretched out full length. As you guys see, there's the diffuser. But yeah, man, this is what you're gonna get. This is the same setting, about 10%, 4000 Kelvin. So you guys get a chance to see what this look like. So let's show another scenario how you can use this. Okay guys, so another way to use the light is to use it in the background as a accent for when you're shooting your videos. You can control the colors, the brightness, how light you want it, how dark you want it, all through your app right here. So if I wanted to change colors, I can go to the red color here, go to the orange, and like I said, I can control the brightness on it. I can cycle through all of the colors here, as you guys see. And so a nice way to accent your video in the background. Let's take a look at another way to use this. Okay guys, so another way you can use it with your regular camera. As you guys see, I have it attached to my Sony ZV-1. So if I have a subject on the other side that I'm filming, or an object or something, then I can have the light pointing towards them, and I can set the light intensity as I want it. Or if I'm vlogging or shooting myself, then I can always turn it around and highlight myself as well. So, all right guys, so this has been a look at the Weeylite RB9 RGB light. Very versatile little light here. Has a great build to it as well. It's going to get 2 hours battery life, they claim, out of it. And you can connect it to your phone and use the app to control it. You can use this in different scenarios. Like I said, if you want to broadcast with it, selfies, videos, whatever you want. I think there's one more thing I didn't show you guys. Maybe I did, but if you hold down on the menu button, you can cycle through this, and this is where you get into your power bank. You can hook this up to your computer and give an update. And they also have an overheating mode, which I'm not sure what that is. And this is where you can get into your channels and your groups as well. So those are some of the other features of this. I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. Wheels, gadgets, and more. I'm out.